Some cars are built to last, and then there are the rare few that cross 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat. These vehicles are trusted by families, workers, and adventurers alike because they just keep going year after year. Today, we're counting down 5 cars that can easily pass the 300,000-mile mark, with reliability that's almost unmatched. 2014, Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 has been the backbone of American pickup culture for decades, and the 2014 model stands out as one of the most durable versions ever built. Trusted by contractors, farmers, and families alike, this truck has proven it can keep working well past 300,000 miles. Under the hood, the 2014 Silverado came with several engine options, but the most legendary is the 5.3-liter Ecotec 3 V8. With 355 horsepower and a reputation for bulletproof reliability, this engine strikes the perfect balance between power and longevity. It's not uncommon to see Silverados with over 300,000 miles on the odometer still running strong, many of them still hauling and towing like they did on day one. The transmission is also known for being tough, especially when maintained with regular fluid changes. Combine that with a strong frame and suspension built to handle heavy loads, and you get a truck that doesn't just age, it endures. Inside, the Silverado 1500 offers more comfort than older generations. By 2014, Chevrolet had upgraded the interior with higher quality materials, better seats, and technology like the MyLink infotainment system. Despite these updates, the cabin remains simple and functional, which means fewer issues as the truck racks up miles. Another big reason this truck lasts so long is parts availability. Silverado parts are everywhere, and mechanics know these trucks inside and out, which keeps repair costs low and ownership simple. For anyone looking for a reliable used truck that can haul, tow, and keep going for decades, the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 sets the standard. It's not just a pickup, it's a workhorse built to last a lifetime. 2013, GMC Yukon XL. The GMC Yukon XL is a full-size SUV built for families, but don't let the comfort fool you. This thing is a tank. The 2013 model, in particular, has built a reputation for crossing 300,000 miles and beyond, thanks to its rock-solid engineering. Powering the Yukon XL is a 5.3-liter V8 engine, the same proven motor found in many Chevrolet and GMC trucks of the era. With proper maintenance, this engine can last decades. It has the strength to pull trailers, carry a full load of passengers, and still keep going without major breakdowns. Owners often report their Yukons sailing past 300,000 miles with little more than routine service. The XL stands for extra length, and that's what makes this SUV such a favorite. With 3 rows of seating and massive cargo space, it's a family hauler that never feels cramped. Despite its size, it rides surprisingly smooth, thanks to a suspension designed for both comfort and capability. Inside, the 2013 Yukon XL offers leather seating, a premium layout, and plenty of features for its time. But unlike some luxury SUVs, it doesn't overload you with fragile electronics. Everything was built with durability in mind, which helps it stay reliable even as the miles climb. The Yukon XL is also built on a truck frame, which means it shares the same toughness as the Silverado. That makes it far more durable than most crossovers and explains why it's a favorite among long-term SUV owners. The 2013 GMC Yukon XL is proof that size and strength can go hand in hand with reliability. If you need space, comfort, and a vehicle that can keep running for decades, this SUV delivers in every way. 2015, Toyota Sequoia. The Toyota Sequoia is one of those rare full-size SUVs that combines massive space with legendary Toyota reliability. The 2015 model is especially impressive, with owners regularly reporting their Sequoias crossing 300,000 miles and still going strong. At the heart of this SUV is a 5.7-liter I-Force V8 engine, producing 381 horsepower. This motor is the same powerhouse used in the Toyota Tundra, known for being almost indestructible. With routine oil changes and basic maintenance, it's not uncommon to see these engines running smoothly at 300,000 miles and beyond, many of them still towing boats, hauling gear, or carrying families across the country. The Sequoia is also built on a truck platform, giving it rugged durability. Its strong frame and suspension are designed to handle heavy loads while maintaining comfort. This combination of toughness and refinement makes it a long-lasting choice for families who need both space and dependability. Inside, the 2015 Sequoia offers seating for up to 8 passengers, with a roomy third row and massive cargo space. Materials are built to last, and Toyota kept the technology straightforward enough to avoid the costly failures that plague some luxury SUVs. Another big factor is resale value. Even with high mileage, Sequoias hold their worth because people know just how durable they are. For buyers, that makes it a safe investment, a car that can serve you for years without losing reliability. The 2015 Toyota Sequoia isn't just a family SUV. It's a long-distance workhorse with legendary toughness, built to cross 300,000 miles without trouble. 2015 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier may not get as much attention as some of the bigger trucks, but it has quietly built a reputation for being one of the toughest mid-size pickups on the road. The 2015 Frontier, in particular, has proven it can reach 300,000 miles and beyond with proper care. Most models from this year came with a 4.0-liter V6 engine producing 261 horsepower. While not the most refined motor, it's known for being rugged and reliable. It can handle heavy use, towing, and off-road adventures without giving up. Owners often report their Frontiers running past 250,000 and even 300,000 miles without major mechanical problems. The Frontier's design is also a big reason for its longevity. It's simple, tough, and built on a strong frame. There aren't a lot of overly complicated electronics to fail, which keeps repairs minimal and maintenance straightforward. This old-school toughness is exactly why so many of these trucks are still on the road today. Inside, the Frontier is basic but functional. It may not have the luxury of some rivals, but the cabin is built to withstand daily use. For many buyers, it's the kind of truck you can buy, drive for decades, and never worry about. Another strength is affordability. Compared to Toyota's Tacoma, the Frontier is often cheaper on the used market, while still delivering impressive durability. That makes it a hidden gem for buyers looking for long-term value. The 2015 Nissan Frontier is proof that you don't need the biggest truck to get big reliability. It's a straightforward, no-nonsense pickup that can easily cross 300,000 miles without trouble. 2016 Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot has long been a favorite family SUV, and the 2016 model shows why it's also one of the most durable vehicles on the market. With space for the whole family, modern features, and a reputation for longevity, the Pilot has proven time and time again it can pass the 300,000-mile mark. Powering the 2016 Pilot is a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 280 horsepower. This motor has been a workhorse across Honda's lineup, and it's known for its smooth performance and long life. Owners frequently share stories of their Pilots running past 300,000 miles with nothing more than scheduled maintenance, oil changes, and the occasional timing belt service. The 2016 redesign gave the Pilot a more modern and refined look, but Honda kept its focus on practicality. Inside, it offers 3 rows of seating, with room for up to 8 passengers. The cabin materials are durable, the layout is user-friendly, and the electronics are straightforward enough to avoid costly issues down the line. Another factor that makes the Pilot so reliable is Honda's focus on efficiency and balance. It's not overloaded with complicated systems that might fail over time. Instead, it's engineered to handle the daily grind, whether that's school runs, road trips, or hauling gear, while staying dependable year after year. Resale value is another bonus. Even high-mileage pilots hold their worth because buyers know they're built to last. That reputation alone makes them a smart investment on the used market. The 2016 Honda Pilot isn't just a family SUV, it's a vehicle built for the long haul. With a proven V6 engine, practical design, and legendary reliability, it stands as one of the few SUVs that can truly cross 300,000 miles without trouble.